just had this 93 Freightliner Cabover come in. Before we get started on it, we wanted to kind of go over everything with you, let you see what it looked like before we get started on it. We are in the middle of some other builds, but before we get started on this one, we wanted to show you what it looks like, what we have to contend with, and what we're going to do along the way. We're going to do our best to video and catalog everything that we're doing along the way and show you from start to finish what it takes to really do one of these trucks. So we're going to come around here and just show you a little bit of what it looks like when it first gets here. These are driven hard and they're coming in here to get repaired to look new. This is by no means going to be a show truck. It is going to be a work truck. So we're going to do our absolute best to turn this thing back into a working show truck. You can see we have to contend with some previous bad repairs, a lot of body filler. We're going to remake this corner, some broken pieces. We're going to take this truck completely apart. From the fuel tanks, it's going to be completely taken off. It'll just be sitting on blocks when we get started on it. We're just going to go ahead and go around in the truck and look at it a little bit more so you can see what it looks like when they first come in here. We're going to be wiping the roof smooth and adding about 10 lights to the top. As you can see, it's already got the Dynaflex exhaust put on it, but the deck plate was made. All the brackets to hold the exhaust were custom made, and also for the air breather. So we will be removing all of this again, sandblasting this frame down. Look at the pitting in the frame, along with where it was stretched, has to be smoothed out and cleaned up. Give you a quick peek on the inside. It will be getting full interior. We do have other builds underway right now, and we're going to try to get you caught up on those also, just showing you where we're at. And I've got some before pictures and show you how those came in, where we're at now. But I wanted to show you this one, just exactly how it came in. We'll have to rebuild this corner. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share it. Leave comments below of what you want to see, anything during these builds.